inside.
Where is it?
Well, he's inside that black.
I can see it.
Can you see it? Yeah, I can just about see it on the left-hand side.
What's that?
It's like real.
Yeah. Well, it was real, alive at one point in time. It's no longer alive.
It's dead?
Well, yeah, he's this is a real turtle shell, and those are real turtle legs, but he's no longer living. He's just, you can touch him.
Don't touch it.
You kill it?
No, it's already dead. It's already not alive.
What is that?
Oh, that's somebody's tail. What kind of animal would you think would have a tail like that? It's soft here, and it's hard here, and this is just his tail, and he swims around in the water, and sometimes he takes his tail and he splashes the water like this. You know what that is? Read about it in a book. Starts with a B. He's a beaver tail. That's a beaver tail.
What's that?
That.
Who's that one?
Oh,
A skunk?
It could be. It could be a skunk. Skunks might have more black, but I don't even know what that is. It tells. It's a white-tailed something. It tells. It's written on it. I can't see what that last word is. So I don't know.